Welcome back my video. The 2025 Isuzu D-Max pickup truck represents a significant evolution in the automotive industry, blending Isuzu's legacy of durability with modern advancements in design, performance, and technology. As the latest iteration in the D-Max lineup, the 2025 model aims to meet the diverse needs of drivers, from daily commuting to demanding off-road adventures. Introduction. Since its inception, the Isuzu D-Max has been synonymous with reliability and ruggedness. The 2025 model continues this tradition while embracing contemporary trends, including the introduction of an all-electric variant. This move not only caters to the growing demand for environmentally friendly vehicles but also positions Isuzu at the forefront of the electric pickup segment. Exterior design. The 2025 D-Max boasts a bold and assertive exterior, reflecting its robust capabilities. The front fascia features a redesigned grille, flanked by sleek LED headlights that provide enhanced visibility and a modern aesthetic. The sculpted hood and pronounced wheel arches contribute to a muscular appearance, while aerodynamic lines improve fuel efficiency and reduce wind noise. Available in a range of colors, including black, blue, obsidian gray, red, splash white, titanium silver, gray, and super white, the D-Max offers options to suit various tastes. The inclusion of new 6-spoke wheels elevates its profile, adding a touch of sophistication to its rugged demeanor. Performance. Under the hood, the 2025 D-Max offers multiple powertrain options to cater to different driving preferences. The traditional internal combustion engine variants are equipped with a 3.0-liter turbo diesel engine, delivering ample power and torque for both on-road and off-road driving. In a significant development, Isuzu has unveiled its first all-electric D-Max BEV battery electric vehicle. This electric variant is powered by a 66.9 kWh lithium-ion battery pack, paired with a full-time 4WD system featuring e-axles. The combined output of the front and rear motors provides 174 horsepower and 325 Nm of torque, ensuring responsive acceleration and capable performance across various terrains. The electric D-Max maintains impressive towing and payload capacities, with a towing limit of 7,716 pounds and a payload capacity of 2,205 pounds. These figures position it competitively within the electric pickup segment, offering both utility and sustainability. Interior features. Inside, the 2025 D-Max combines practicality with comfort. The cabin is designed to accommodate 5 passengers, featuring supportive seating and high-quality materials throughout. The layout is intuitive, with controls easily accessible to the driver. Technological advancements include a user-friendly infotainment system with a touchscreen interface, offering navigation, smartphone integration, and Bluetooth connectivity. Higher trim levels provide additional amenities such as leather upholstery, dual-zone climate control, and advanced driver assistance features. Safety. Safety remains a priority in the 2025 D-Max, with a suite of features designed to protect occupants and enhance driver confidence. Standard safety equipment includes multiple airbags, anti-lock braking system, ABS, electronic stability control, and traction control. Advanced safety technologies are also available, such as adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert. These systems work together to mitigate potential hazards and provide a secure driving experience. Price and availability. In Pakistan, the Isuzu D-Max 2024 is available in several variants, with prices ranging from 6,900,000 Pakistani rupees for the base model to 12,400,000 Pakistani rupees for the top-tier 5 Cross Limited GTX edition. While official pricing for the 2025 model has yet to be announced, it is anticipated to be in a similar range, with the electric variant potentially commanding a premium due to its advanced technology. Overall, the 2025 Isuzu D-Max exemplifies a harmonious blend of tradition and innovation. With its robust design, versatile performance options, and commitment to safety, it caters to a wide array of drivers. The introduction of the electric D-Max BEV underscores Isuzu's dedication to sustainability, offering an eco-friendly alternative without compromising on capability. As the automotive landscape evolves, the 2025 D-Max positions itself as a compelling choice in the competitive pickup truck market.